Business ng mga co-alumni natin will start also to progress. Kasi in a business perspective, pag tumatagal ka na ng mga 5 years, dapat ang focus mo na is more on expansion.
Kung ano pa yung gagawin kong halimbawa, ano ba yung end result nitong ang programa nito. Ang lagi ko sinasabi sa kanila, hindi ngayon o hindi sa susunod na buwan o sa susunod na taon, magiging successful ka.
There's clarity dun sa mga gagawin ng secretariat.
You see the confidence and yung development nila on the technical aspects there. And it's also the same thing that we wanted to impart sa ating mga secretariats.
Pero nakilala ko noong 2016 ng ALST. Mas lalong naging motivate sa ginagawa ko, at hindi lang yun, na bago pa yung personal yung pananaw sa Panginoon, sa kapwa.
Right? So I'm very happy to see you. Divine again from batch 82, classmate ko si Kuya Noel at saka ang aking esposo, si Bar.
Now I feel the desire to get in touch with us.
For us as volunteers, for me especially, to be self-caring.
Orientation pala para nakusin ang panipag katao. Parang pinamukha sa akin ang mali lahat ng paniniwala ko bilang OFW.
We ended the homecoming with 4 strategic elements. You remember that? The acronym was decentralization, institutionalization, organization, and sustainability. Yung 4 na elements na yun, and we started with those 4 elements, and we said those are our 4 strategic pillars as we go into the next homecoming in 2028.
Paano kay Mampina kay Sir Ed, mag-give back sa community. At super happy ako na mag-serve. Wala akong kapaguran. Bahala na hindi ako matulog para lang sa kanila. Kasi sobrang inspiration yung natatanggap ko, lalo-lalo na pagdating sa graduation day ng mga estudyante.
Sobra ko na-bless kasi nagkaroon kami ng mga training, ng mga whatever, ng mga meetings. Ang sinasabi ko palagi, this program made me complete. Made my life complete.
noong December. I'm Eloy. I'm with Jasper and Milen. We're the GEM daw. Anong batch ba tayo noon? Parang 2012, batch 14, Alce, Dubai.
Ay, migration talaga kasi sabi ko nga, out of 110 million Filipinos, 10 million are abroad, 5 million are immigrants, 5 million are labor migrants, more than 2.5 are women.
The summary of the challenges and the opportunities to be given by our Annie.
Ay, isa pa! Parang hina! Ikaw ay! Sa mga napuyan! Ayan! Sige, kaya mo ba? Okay, stronger this morning. Okay.
So, we hear every feedback that we gather from the secretariats, from the core secretariats. And in the next batch. So let's give emphasis from sa see you in the next batch. Okay po? Ayan. Thank you.
Kaya ang gusto ko pong mangyari sana is I will leave it to you sa inyong discussion later on para kung ano yung mga suggestions na we can share para maiwasan natin or ma-minimize natin or masolusyonan yung ating mga challenges.
Mahalaga din kasi na mas mapalalim natin ano kahalagan ng culture sa ating buhay. Ano yung ang kahalagan therefore that we try to build, develop, and sustain a healthy culture, especially dito sa ating ASEAN.
We give back to the kindness that we first received. So, yun po yung pinaka naging inspiration namin. We first received yung kindness.
We have started already regionalizing through our BTS. And then the I is institutionalization, where we are putting systems and standards into our activities. And then O is for organization, what we are doing now, community building and culture building activities. And finally, S, which is sustainability, ensuring that the program will run for many years to come.